Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the fastest way to build a complete Shopify store using a store packages from the Smind app. I'm not talking about just one landing page. I'm talking about the entire store. The homepage, the collection page, the product page, the About Us page, all installed and connected in just a few clicks. Let's get started. This is the main dashboard, and it looks very clean and white. You'll see Create New Page, Create New Sections, and Build Store by Package. That last one has a yellow badge that says Perfect for New Stores. That's definitely the first thing I'd click, so have to click on it. Now I'm on a page called Package, including full website templates. This is a big library of designs, and you will see Island, MedMind, Clothing 1, Clothing 4 template. They all look really professional. I'm scrolling down and there are just so many. Clothing 8, jewelry and accessories 2. This is impressive. It's not just 5 or 6 options. It looks like dozens. This is much better than starting from a blank page. Now I'm hovering over the left-hand sidebar. Industry. This is super helpful. There are 64 templates in total, and I don't need to look at all of them. If I'm selling jewelry and accessories, I can just click that and filter them. That's probably the second most important feature on this page after the templates themselves. So I will choose the Island template. I see it says 6 templates below the name. Click on that, and you'll see the pop-up preview. This is great, much better than just a static image. My eyes go straight to the tabs at the top. Homepage, collection page, product page, blog detail, about. It means you have 6 pre-designed pages that all match to make one complete store. That's exactly what I'd want. Next, I'm scrolling through the homepage preview. It looks very clean. Now I'm clicking the other tabs. Collection page? Yep, looks like a standard professional collection. Product page? Oh, I see a countdown timer for a special offer. Then I'm going to click the blog detail and about page. They all look consistent and well designed. This preview is good, but I wonder what it looks like on a real website. Click on the view demo. Perfect. This is what I really want to see. This is the live About Us page. It looks incredible. The big video header, the smooth scrolling, the professional photos. This looks like $1 million brand, not a template. Okay, now I'm back to the home page, and it still looks amazing. Now you need to switch back to the App tab, back to the Island template preview. You're clicking Install on the preview pop-up. It's showing me a list of all the pages it's going to install: homepage, collection page, product page. This is great. It's confirming exactly what I'm getting. Click Install, and this package installed successfully. That was easy. Clicked Manage Kit to take you to a new page. You can see all 6 pages. When I hover over them, I see buttons: Assign, Set Default, Preview. Then I'm clicking Set Default on the home page, collection page, product page, blog list, blog detail, and finally I will select Create Page for the About page. Typing a new name for this template and clicked Create. The template is just the design. You have to create an actual page in my Shopify store to put that design onto. So what about the collection page? You have to assign your collections for that one. Click on Add Collection and picking the collection you want, and saving. I'm doing the same for product page, clicking Assign and selecting a bunch of products. Now I've connected my content to the page, but how do I change the design? The text, the images? Just going back to the homepage row and clicking the name homepage itself and click Customize. Now you can see all the sections on the left. It's all here. It's not just a collection of sections, it's the full pre-built page ready for me to click on and start editing. This is exactly what I wanted. Scrolling down the page preview in the editor, it looks exactly like the live demo. This is a massive time saver. I don't have to guess what sections to add. They're all here and already look professional. Now I'm hovering over the mega menu in the header and click on the collection. And look, the products are already here. Those are the ones I assigned in the first step. It's all connected. Next, click on one of the products. I'm on the product page template. I can see the product images, the price, the add to cart button, and the You May Also Love section. This is an incredibly fast and intuitive way to work. Clicking the island logo at the top to go back to the homepage and hide the default sections that you don't need. Now you have to customize the header first to display the mega menu for the store. Click on Menu Options to choose your main menu. I've already created my menu before installing this package, so I don't need to choose another one. And here is my standard Shopify menu, which I already know how to edit, that you can add and remove links in Shopify, and the app's header will just update. We're back in the editor. You've clicked Mega Menu, Banner, in the section list on the left-hand side, and you'll see Mega Item with FW25 in the box where you have to edit the name of menu items. In this demo, I don't need to change the menu item's name because it's already set it up in the right place. Or you can add custom images right into the dropdown. After that, you can do the same for the other mega menu items if you want. Now you can also change the image for every section you want, like Hero Image, Collection List, by clicking Single Image Block and upload your own image to change. And in this demo, I use Free Theme to show you how the Smind app can help you build full store with the package. This app has built this entire and professional store directly inside the Dawn theme. This changes everything. It means you don't need to buy a $300 premium theme. You don't need a separate clunky page builder app that's going to slow your site down. You can just use the app and the Dawn theme to build your entire store. This is incredible. If this video inspired you to build your own store, let's subscribe and like the video. I'd love to hear your ideas. Drop a comment below and tell me what store you want to build using Smind. Thanks for watching.